Hi everyone. So we have some light anomalies going on. Look at that one. Is that fantastic or what? Look at that. And you can see an object right there. And right there. But that one right there, that stands out. And then we have some illuminating going on. Look at all that striping and coloring. Isn't that fantastic? Look at that. I believe those are the beginning and the end of whatever these objects are. They are something. Yeah, that one, wow. And look at, whoo. So, what do you think of that? It's amazing. All right, we're gone. I'll see you soon. Hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye. This is the Canary Islands, by the way.